Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Park, an applications engineer from Intel. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to Gaudi 3 on IBM Cloud, a revolutionary step forward in AI technology designed to transform AI in your enterprise. If you're looking to reduce the costs of deploying AI while maximizing performance, Gaudi 3 is your solution. Gaudi 3 offers IBM Cloud's lowest cost entry point to AI accelerators, making advanced AI capabilities more accessible than ever. This means you can leverage cutting-edge technology without breaking the bank, allowing your organization to innovate and scale efficiently. What sets Gaudi 3 apart is its foundation on open source software and open standards. This ensures flexibility, interoperability, and a collaborative ecosystem that empowers you to customize solutions fit to your unique needs. By embracing open standards, Gaudi 3 fosters innovation and accelerates deployment, giving you the freedom to build and deploy AI applications with confidence. But don't just take our word for it. An independent agency benchmarked Gaudi 3 against NVIDIA's H100 and H200 GPUs, and the results are impressive. Gaudi 3 delivered up to 43% more tokens per second than the NVIDIA H200 when running IBM Granite 3.1 8B in small context size queries. For larger context sizes, it achieved up to 36% more tokens per second than the NVIDIA H200 GPU when running Llama 3.1 405B at FP8 quantization. Most notably, Gaudi 3 provided up to a 335% increase in tokens per dollar compared to the NVIDIA H100 when running Llama 3.1 405B, also at FP8 quantization. In summary, Gaudi 3 on IBM Cloud is about democratizing AI, providing powerful, cost-effective tools that drive business transformation. It's time to unlock the potential of AI in your enterprise with Gaudi 3. Let's take this journey together and redefine what's possible. Now, let's see Gaudi 3 in action.
Hi everyone, I'm Pramod. I'm an AI software solutions engineer at Intel. And as you heard from Ryan, IBM Cloud now has Gaudi 3s, and we've made it very easy for customers to get started with running their LLM models on Gaudi 3. So let's say you're a developer. What do you generally need? You need an API endpoint to either plug it into your coding assistant or your AI agent, or let's say you want to build around your LLM endpoints. We have created a solution called Intel AI for Enterprise Inference. So with this solution, which is just a one-click deploy solution, this whole stack that you see here comes up for you. This will be made available on IBM Cloud Catalog as a deployable architecture. Now, a deployable architecture, think of these as Terraform scripts that automate the whole provisioning for you. So as I said, virtually with one click, this whole stack comes up for you. What comes with it is the orchestration layer that has Kubernetes. You have the VLLM inferencing engine that is running on Gaudi 3s, and this is what will run your LLM models like the Llama models and the Qwen models. And you also have security in the form of authorization and authentication, and also monitoring and observability baked into this whole stack. So once you have this stack up and running, that's when you get the LLM endpoint, and now you're ready to start building with these endpoints. So for example, I have an application running here that I have built around this endpoint. Let me show it to you. So as I said, once you have these endpoints, you can either plug it into your existing workflow or you build around it. So in this case, I have this application called as the OPIA Productivity Suite. By the way, the OPIA Productivity Suite will also be made available in the form of a deployable architecture. So with a few clicks, you have this up and running. So all this needs is the LLM URL, the API key, and finally the model ID, all of which you will get from the first automation that I spoke about. So now, this productivity suite has several use cases. As you can see, there are 4 different use cases. I'm going to start from the first one, which is Chat Q&A. Chat Q&A is nothing but a chat assistant that also has RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. So you can upload your documents and ask questions, and Chat Q&A will answer it for you. So here are some of the models that I have been able to host using Intel AI for Enterprise Inference. You have IBM's Granite 3.1 8B model, you have the Llama 3.1 70B, the 405B, and also the Mixtral 8X 7B, as you can see here. So first, let me ask the chat assistant a question. Now, as I mentioned, this is the OPIA productivity suite. So if you don't know what OPIA is, I can try asking that question. What is OPIA? At first, the LLM is going to say that OPIA stands for Open Platform for Enhanced Analytics, but this is actually incorrect. So the productivity suite comes with a database where you can upload your documents. So that's what I'm going to do now. So if I go into data management, I can browse for files and I can upload this document that has all the information about OPIA. And then once that is uploaded, I can ask this question again. What is OPIA? As you can see, now the LLM correctly answers it by saying OPIA is Open Platform for Enterprise AI, and that's the right answer. So that's where this productivity suite application comes from. You also have multimodal chat, which means you can upload images. So our stack also enables multimodal models. So in this case, we have a Llama 3.2 90 billion vision instruct model. So I'm gonna upload a sample image of a car, and I'm just gonna ask it to describe this image in detail. Let's set the tokens to about 1,000 and hit go. As you can see, this whole stack is also able to handle multimodal models as well. So it's detected that this is a Tesla car, it's in a parking lot, and a lot of details that it sees from the image. Now we have two more applications to go through. You have content summarization. So this here, as you can see, is using a Llama 3.170B model. So all I do is I browse and select the file that I want this application to summarize, and I hit go. And as you can see, it does a good job of describing what the document has. And in this case, again, as we're trying to learn what OPIA is, this document has all the information that you need about OPIA, and the model does a good job of summarizing what OPIA is. And finally, the code assistant or code generation. Here we have a 405B instruct model, which, as you know, is a really big LLM. So this actually runs on all 8 Gaudi cards on one node. So with this, I can show you a quick demo. I can say sort a list of integers. I'm just going to hit go. And as you can see, it's able to handle code as well. So this was the OPIA productivity suite, which comes with 4 different GenAI applications. This can be used via the deployable architectures on the IBM Cloud Catalog. So what I'd like to say is we made it very easy for you to go and deploy your LLMs on this completely open source serving stack. So you own the stack and you are your own inference provider. So I'm very excited to see how you as a developer can take this solution that we've built and serve your own LLMs at scale. So thank you so much for watching our content, and I hope you get to use the solution soon.